Namaskar, Pranam, Jai Hind. Welcome to our channel Design Setu. Today we will learn how to draft a basic skirt pattern. So some of the measurements are required like skirt length, hip depth which is also called hip level, hip arc front and hip arc back, waist arc front and waist arc back, and also dart placement for front and dart placement for back. So you can also vary the length of skirt according to your desire. So first, draw a line in the mid of your pattern which is length of your skirt. Now mark as point A and B. So A is towards waist and B is towards hemline of the skirt. A to C is hip level. I have taken 7.5. You can vary it till 8 inch. Now from point A, B and C, square up and down. So we have marked point A, B and C. So we will now mark the point D. So A to D is hip arc back plus half an inch is. So your hip arc is 9 inch plus half an inch is. So total A to D is 9.5. Now make a rectangle as shown in the video. A to G is hip arc front plus half an inch is. So your hip arc front is 9 1/4 plus half an inch means it is 9 3/4. So after making the rectangle, mark all the point like E, F, G, H and I. So till now we have used skirt length, hip level, hip arc front and hip arc back. So we will cross mark that measurement. Now point D to J. So D to J is dart placement for back which is 2.5 inches. So from point J we will mark 1 inch for the dart and give a gap 1.5 inch and again 1 inch for the second dart. Area A to D is defined for back waist. So now we will draw the back waist area. So your dart placement is 2.5 inch and a space left between two dart is 1.5 inch. So you will reduce this from 5 7/8. So your back waist is 5 7/8 minus 2.5 plus 1 1/2. So it is 1 7/8. Add 1/8 of allowance and mark the point, square up 1 inch. Now from G mark the dart placement which is 2 3/4 and 3/4 of inch for the first dart. Give a gap of 1 1/2 and again mark the second dart which is 3/4 of inch. So your front waist is 6 3/4 minus 2 3/4 which is dart placement plus 1.5 inch which we have given the gap between two darts. So it is 2.5 inches. So add 1/8 of inch ease and mark the point and square up 1 inch. Mark the point K and L. Now Mark the midpoint of all 4 darts, and for the front square down 4 inch, and for the back square down 5.5 inch. Now join the dart as shown in the video. Mark front and back, and also draw the green line in the front and also in the back panel. Now go down 1/4 of inch from point D and make the hip level for the back, and also 1/4 of inch up from point K and L. Now join G to 1/4 of inch up point of L with the hip curve, and also 1/4 of inch down at D and 1/4 of inch up at K with the hip curve. So when you are placing your hip curve, make sure it has 1.5 inches straight at point D and G. Also join from C to K and C to L. Now cut your pattern as shown in the video. Do not cut the waist area. So in this skirt we have taken total 2 inches each at the hip area, and total 1/2 inch is at the waist area. So waist area do not require too much ease, that's why we have taken 1/2 inch ease. So after cutting the straight part of your pattern, at the time of cutting follow the video. Now we will fold the dart. So place the dart leg on the other leg. Make sure when you are folding it, the dart intake will go towards the center front for the front panel, and towards center back for the back panel. So after folding we will blend the area. This is called truing. So blend it with hip curve and mark with the tracing wheel at the folded part. Now we will cut according to the impression. So you can see that up at the dart we will do the same process for the back panel. So again the dart intake will go towards the center back because it is the back panel. So blend it and mark it with tracing wheel and cut according to the impression. So your skirt is ready now. Check all the measurement, check side seam measurement also. Write on fold on the front area, because we do not want any kind of seam in the center front area. Right cut 2 on the back, because we want opening at the back. If you want opening at the side seam, you can also write on fold at the center back area. So your skirt pattern is ready now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. For any doubt, write in the comment section. Jai Hind.